Sawubona, unjani, nami ngiyaphila. Welcome back to Siyafunza. Today, we're carrying on with our SiSwati lessons and we're going to learn how to ask questions. I'm sure we all appreciate the ability to know where things are or to know where people are. And so we're going to talk about how we do that in SiSwati. To begin, I'd like to share with us a little bit about nouns in SiSwati. Nouns are words, if you need a little English revision, that name things. So a cup is a noun, or sometimes it can be a proper noun like Manzini, the name of a place, is a noun. So the name of a thing or the name of a person is our nouns, right? Now in SiSwati, the nouns are grouped a certain way. It's really important to know this because this is going to determine the rules that we use every time we see that noun. So this is a foundational thing with the nouns. And if you want more information on this, please go ahead and click the link in the comments and you can sign up for more lessons with more detail and just more information to help you figure out this thing regarding the nouns. But let me do a little summary of it. The nouns are in groups, like we said, that we call classes. And each of these classes is determined by the prefix of the noun. So the beginning part, the two words, usually two letters, 2 or 3 letters of the noun determine what class it is. All words that begin with those particular letters are in the same class. That also will tell you how to make the noun plural. So that is a little bit of a summary of the nouns. If you want more information on that, click the link in the comments and sign up for lessons and we can talk more about that. But let's go through examples of asking where something is using a noun from each noun class. So the word for where in SiSwati is gupi, gupi, where. When we use that in a sentence, we normally just use the PHI, P. So the full word is gupi, but in a sentence we'll just use P. Now, let's ask where are a few things. The first thing we'll ask about is the toilet. I'm sure we've all been in situations where we need to know where the toilet is and we're trying to communicate with people, and so this is a useful one. And the word for toilet is umtoi. Umtoi. So if you're asking where is the toilet, you would use the beginning of the word umtoi and connect it to P, which is where, and you would say upi umtoi. Where is the toilet? Upi umtoi. There it is. And so you're seeing there how the noun determines the rule for how we'll use it in a sentence. So that's umtoi, the toilet. Let's do another noun in a different class, meaning it has a different beginning. So we had umtoi. Now let's do lisonvo, which is the church or a church. Lisonvo. My husband and I actually pastor a church, and so hopefully as you're listening to this, you will be asking the question, where's the church? Where's a church? Where's a church that I can go to? And this is how you would ask it. You would take the beginning of lisonvo and you would connect it to the P and you would say lipi lisonvo. Lipi lisonvo. Where is the church? So upi umtoi, lipi lisonvo. And here's another one. The store is the next one that we're gonna do, and that is sitolo. It's also useful to know where the store is or where the shop is, so you can buy whatever it is that you need to buy. And the word for shop, a shop or the shop, is sitolo. Different beginning, different class of noun. Sitolo. Same rule. Take the C, add it to the PHI for where, and you would have Siphi sitolo. Siphi sitolo. Where's the shop? I'm sure you're noticing that each time we're changing the beginning when we ask where, and that's why it's important to know about the nouns and the noun classes. Okay, let's move on. We have a few more noun classes to do. This one is an LU word, lutanvo. Lutanvo. That is love. So we're going to do a little bit of a Black Eyed Peas question. If you're familiar with the song, Where is the Love? We're going to ask that in SiSwati. Where is the love? You would say, Lupi, L-U, remember? Lupi lutanvo. Where is the love? Lupi lutanvo. All right, let's keep moving. So we did upi umtoi, sigupi sitolo, lipi lisonvo, lupi lutanvo. And let's move on to the next one. We're going to ask where food is. And the beginning of food is gu, K-U. The word for food is gula. Food is gula. So if you're hungry and you're like, where is the food? You would say gupi gula. Gupi gula. Where is the food? All right. So we've gone through, and I'll say them out again, and then we're going to do one exception because languages have a lot of exceptions, and SiSwati is no exception. All right. The first one we did is where is the toilet? Upi umtoi. Where is the church? Lipi lisonvo. Where is the shop? Sipi sitolo. Where is the love? Lupi lutanvo. Where is the food? Gupi gula. And actually before the exception, there's another one. And that is, we're going to ask where is the dog? And the word for dog is inja, another noun class. Inja, that is dog. So we take the I and we say ipi inja. Ipi inja. Where is the dog? All right, now here's the exception. There are these words that are not necessarily, they don't necessarily all have the same beginning. They have different beginnings, but they're all words that usually refer to some kind of relationship. Words like mother, father, sister, brother, also doctor, teacher, some of those words don't all have the same beginning, but they are all in the same class. So that's an exception because all the other classes or groups of nouns are based on the fact that they have the same beginning. These ones don't have the same beginning, but they all refer to relationship. Again, if you want more information on this, it's a lot of information. You can ask questions in the comments or you can click the link to sign up for lessons and we can go deeper into it. But just note that these words are an exception to the rule where nouns are grouped based on their beginning. So these words don't have the same beginning, but they all refer to relationship. Let's ask two questions using these words. One word, I think we've done it before, is mage, and that is mother. Lots of people ask, where's mom, right? Dad can just be chilling, but the children will always be like, where's mom? Because mom comes and solves all the problems. So if you wanted to ask, where is mother? You would say, upi mage. Upi mage. We use u because the rules for the words in this class are always based on the rules for the words in the u class. That's why we use u at the beginning. Another example is if you wanted to say, where is the teacher? The word for teacher is tishela. Tishela. you would say Upi tishela. Upi tishela. Again, we use u because the rules for the words in this class that refer to relationship are taken from the rules for the words that begin with u. So let's go over all of the questions we've done in this lesson. Where is the toilet? Upi umtoy. Where is the church? Lipi lisonvo. Where is the shop? Sipi sitolo. Where is the love? Lupi lutanvo. Where is the dog? Ipi inja. Where is the food? Gupi gula. And our two exceptions, where is mom? Upi mage. And where is the teacher? Upi tishela. And now you can practice walking around and asking people where a lot of things are. Looking forward to our next lesson. Thank you for joining. Make sure that you review these things and practice them. Find people you can talk to, greet, ask questions, and learn more so that when we come back next time, you've got all of this ingrained in your mind and ready to take